माननीय विधायक श्री दिव्यशंकर मिश्र।
Honorable Speaker, Madam, Honorable Minister said there is a cancer express running every day from Punjab to Mumbai. Odisha has become self-sufficient, self-reliant in agricultural production. We have grown immensely in terms of fishery, goatery, and even hatchery. Fish production in economically backward districts have gone up in KBK region. Keeping all this in mind, and now that we have received so many times Krishi Karman Award, will the government take up organic farming in a larger scale? Will there be any subsidy for the farmers, because the production rate will definitely come down if you use organic farming. This technique will definitely lower the production. So any farmer, whether it is horticulture, fishery, poultry, wherever they use organic material for production, those farmers should be given some subsidy so that people will be motivated. Will the government take steps to provide subsidy to farmers going in organic? Thank you.
मान्यवर मंत्री।
मान्यवर वाचस्पति महोदय, I would like to thank the honourable member for having asked this question. I was wondering if somebody is going to ask me this question or not. First and foremost, I would like to again clarify and make it sufficiently known to all the members that this government is wanting people to go for organic farming. Organic farming, when you are talking about increasing production through use of fertilizers, it is a misconception, misnomer. It may increase the productivity, but it ruins your soil. Whereas Jaivik use of organic fertilizers does not, it rather improves the fertility of your soil, it does not degrade your soil. So therefore, using of organic, the state government is going to be promoting in the years to come, and we are going to ensure that the produce of the farmers reaches the correct market. The linkage we will provide, that will incentivize the farmer to go for organic farming. Number two, regarding the fish and chicken and other products that you were referring to, let me tell you, the number of cases increasing in the state also, cancer cases increasing in the state is because of this. You see people becoming obese because the produce, the product, the feed that is given to them, the hormones that are fed to them, and we consuming those hormones indirectly, even if it is not direct, it's indirectly being consumed by us, which is taking a toll on our bodies also, and because of that we are having to depend on all kinds of other medicines to stay healthy. So my sincere appeal to everybody, cutting across party lines, that we should all go for organic. You have chicken, why not the country chicken? You have fish, why not the naturally produced fish? Having to feed them fertilizers and other things. Thank you.